Hello. Today, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Oziri, and na me be your one and only pidgin lawyer. Today, I wan talk about unlawful arrest or unlawful detention. See, if person don arrest you unlawfully under section 35 sub 6 of the 1999 constitution as amended. Constitution na the law wey dey guide, wey dey regulate all other laws. That is why any law wey dey inconsis ten t with the constitution, that law no go stand. Section 35 sub 6 of the constitution talk say if dem arrest you unlawfully or dem detain you unlawfully, say you dey entitled to compensation and apology, public apology, no be secret apology. Unlawful arrest, anybody wey arrest you unlawfully, whether na government institution, whether na person like you arrest you, use police arrest you, dey entitled to compensation and public apology. You see that public apology, no take am play. Make I tell una the secret now. Compensation, some big men dem too get money no be anything. So if dem arrest you unlawfully, dem fit use money compensate you, no do dem anything. But you see that public apology dey fall their hand. So if big man arrest you unlawfully, insist on that public apology. No be say dem go call you for one small room say I'm very sorry for arresting you, this one. No, na your constitutional right, this public apology and compensation. You don know today. So wetin be unlawful arrest now? You no do anything, they arrest you, and dem no get any reason to suspect you say you do anything. They get reasonable suspicion. This one no reason, nothing. Dem go just arrest you like that, or your neighbor just like that just arrest you, nothing. That one unlawful arrest. And when that thing happen, compensation and public apology na your right. You wey dey watch my video, when you watch, share, no dey keep am to yourself. Thank you.